Hi guys, thank you for visiting Lingala Academy channel, the best place to start your journey of learning Lingala language. We are very committed to help you learn this beautiful language as a native speaker in a short period of time. Please like, comment, and share our videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more new videos. Today we're going to learn about subject pronouns in Lingala. In this section, you're going to learn Lingala subject pronouns in singular and plural forms. You might be wondering, why should you learn the subject pronouns in Lingala? Yes, great question. The answer is learning the subject pronouns is very important because they're going to help you to conjugate any verb in Lingala. First of all, I want you to know that we have two types of subject pronouns in Lingala. We have the singular form and the plural form. The singular form are na, o, a, and e. Again, na, o, a, and e. Na in English is I. O in English is you. A in English is he or she. E in English is it. The plural form of subject pronouns in Lingala are to, bo, and ba. To, bo, and ba. To in English is we. Bo in English is you. Ba in English is they. So now let's practice. To practice in this video, we're using the verb to be, which is kozala in English. But you must learn the rules to conjugate the verb to be in present tense in Lingala. The rules are: first, kozala, which is to be, as I said, in English, ko placed before any verb means it's in the infinitive form. Example, kosenga. Kosenga. Kosenga means to ask. Second rule, you need to remove ko, this one here, ko in front of zala from the infinitive form. So when you do so, you stay with zala. 3. Remove a at the end of zala and you stay with zal. 4. Add I to zal. Now you have zali. And last, add a subject pronoun na, o, a, e, to, bo, or ba in front of zali. Okay, since you already know from the previous slide the rules to conjugate the verb kozala, which is to be in English, now let's conjugate it in the present tense in Lingala. As I said, you remove ko from the infinitive form, you stay with zala. You remove a at the end of zala, you stay with zal. You add I at the end of zal, now you have zali. And you place a subject pronoun which could be na, o, a, e, to, bo, or ba. Now let's practice. Nazali, nazali, nazali is I am in English. Ozali, ozali, ozali means you are. Azali, azali, azali is or she is. Ezali, ezali means it is. Tozali, tozali, tozali is we are. Bozali, bozali means you are. And bazali, bazali means they are. Okay, this is the end of this video. Please, if you like it, subscribe to the channel to receive more videos, comment and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. Thank you. See you next time.